Hey guys, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome to my channel. According to the Survey of Consumer Finance report from the Federal Reserve, between 2019 and 2022, the median net worth of U.S. households increased 37% to $192,700, while the average net worth increased by 23% to $1,063,700. Now you may be wondering why the average is so much higher than the median net worth. Well, that's because the wealthiest households tend to drive the average up. So the median is a much clearer picture than what the average is. The Federal Reserve issues its Survey of Consumer Finances report every 3 years, and the most recent report includes data collected from mainly 2022. Increasing your net worth isn't just a dream. It's a goal that anyone can achieve with the right strategies and mindset. In this video, we're going to explore 5 smart and effective ways to grow your wealth and enhance your financial stability. And whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to build on your existing assets, these tips will help you take concrete steps toward a stronger financial future. This channel is still fairly new and growing, so the support of you all is crucial for its success. My goal with this video and with every video that I make is to give you more knowledge and insight than you had before you began watching it. If I can do that, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if you're wanting to grow your wealth. It will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. I also think the greatest compliment that I can receive is for people like you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance for doing that. Now let's get started. Let's start by explaining what net worth actually is. I recently did a video on what your net worth should be by age that I encourage you to watch after you watch this one. But net worth is a simple way to measure your overall financial health. It's calculated by taking the total value of everything you own, which is your assets, and subtracting everything you owe, which is your liabilities. Assets can include things like cash, savings, investments, your home, car, and any other valuable possessions. Liabilities are things like credit card debt, student loans, car loans, and mortgages. When you subtract your liabilities from your assets, the number you get is your net worth. If your assets are greater than your liabilities, you have a positive net worth, which means you're in good financial shape. If your liabilities are greater than your assets, then you have a negative net worth, which means you might need to focus on paying down debt and increasing your savings. Tracking your net worth over time helps you to understand your financial progress and make better decisions about spending, saving, and investing. Paying off high-interest debt is really important because it can save you a lot of money in the long run. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, means you have to pay extra money just for borrowing. This extra money, called interest, adds up quickly and makes it harder to pay off what you owe. When you have high interest debt, a big chunk of your monthly payment goes towards paying the interest instead of reducing the amount that you originally borrowed. This means it takes much longer to pay off your debt, and you end up paying much more than what you borrowed initially. By paying off high interest debt as soon as possible, you can save a lot of money that would otherwise go to interest. Reducing or eliminating high interest debt also improves your financial health. Without the burden of high interest payments, you'll have more money available to save, invest, or spend on things that you need. This helps you build a stronger financial foundation and increases your net worth over time. Additionally, paying off high interest debt can reduce stress and give you much more financial freedom. You won't have to worry about large interest payments every month, and you'll be in a better position to achieve your financial goals, like buying a house or even saving for retirement. Getting rid of high interest debt is a key step toward achieving financial stability and overall peace of mind. Cutting out unnecessary spending is a crucial step towards improving your overall financial health. When you spend money on things you don't really need, it adds up quickly and leaves you with less money for more important things like saving, investing, or paying off debt. Americans spend on average $18,000 per person per year on non-essentials. Non-essentials is just stuff that you don't need. By being mindful of your spending and cutting back on non-essential purchases, you can keep more money in your pocket. When you reduce unnecessary spending, you can save more money for the future. This means you'll have a financial cushion for emergencies, like car repairs or medical bills, and you can work towards bigger goals like buying a home or going on a vacation. Saving money regularly helps you build wealth over time and gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared for unexpected expenses. Cutting back on spending also allows you to invest more. Investing your extra money can help it grow over time, thanks to compound interest. Even small investments can turn into significant amounts if you give enough time to grow. This way you can increase your net worth and build a stronger financial foundation for your future. Also, by reducing unnecessary spending helps you avoid debt. When you don't overspend, you're less likely to rely on credit cards or loans to cover those expenses. This keeps you out of high interest debt, which can be very costly and hard to pay off. By living within your means and focusing on your financial priorities, you can achieve a greater sense of financial stability and freedom. Increasing your income is a key way to boost your net worth. When you earn more money, you have extra funds to be able to save, invest, and pay off debt, all of which contribute to growing your wealth. With a higher income, you can reach your financial goals faster and build a more secure financial future. With more income, you can save more money each month. This means that you can create a financial cushion for those emergencies like unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or to save for a big goal like maybe buying a house or taking a vacation. The more you're able to save, the more prepared you are for the future, and the more your net worth can grow. Extra income also allows you to invest more. Investing helps your money grow over time through things like stocks, bonds, or real estate. The more you invest, the greater your chances of increasing your net worth are, especially with the compounding interest effect, where your investments earn money on both the original amount and the interest it has already earned. Additionally, increasing your income helps you pay off debt faster. If you have more money coming in, you can put more toward paying off high interest debts like credit cards or loans. This reduces the amount you pay in interest and helps you become debt-free sooner. With less debt, you keep more of your income each month, which you can then save or invest to further grow your net worth. There are several ways that you can increase your income. You can ask for a raise at your current job, look for a higher paying job, or maybe even start a side hustle like freelancing, tutoring, or selling crafts online. Investing in education and skills can also lead to better job opportunities and higher pay. Even small increases in income can make a big difference over time, which can in turn help you build a much stronger financial future for yourself. Saving and investing regularly is crucial for increasing your net worth. When you save money consistently, you build a financial cushion that can protect you in emergencies and help you achieve your long-term goals. Regular saving also means that you have more money available to invest, which can grow over time and significantly boost your net worth. Look at investing your money like planting seeds that can grow into a large tree over time. When you invest regularly, even in small amounts, you take advantage of compound interest. This means that the money you invest earns interest, and then that interest earns even more interest. Over time, this can turn small investments into significant amounts, greatly increasing your net worth. To start saving and investing, you can open up a savings account and set up automatic transfers from your checking account each month. This ensures that you're consistently saving money without having to think about it. As for investing, consider starting with a retirement account like a 401k or a Roth IRA, which can offer tax benefits and help your money grow over the long term. You can also invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds through a brokerage account. Another simple way to save and invest is by using apps and tools that are designed to make that process easier. Many apps allow you to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. You can also set up recurring investments through these platforms, making it pretty effortless to invest regularly. By consistently saving and investing, you can steadily increase your net worth. Investing in appreciating assets is a powerful way to increase your net worth. Appreciating assets are things that grow in value over time, like real estates, stocks, or even certain collectibles. When you invest in these types of assets, their increasing value can significantly boost your overall wealth, helping you achieve financial goals more quickly. One common appreciating asset is real estate. When you buy a home or a rental property, its value can increase over the years, especially if the neighborhood improves or if you make upgrades to the property. This means that you can sell it for more than what you paid for it, gaining a profit. Real estate also provides the opportunity to earn rental income, which also adds to your wealth. Stocks are another example of appreciating assets. When you buy shares of a company, you own a piece of that company. If the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares can go up. Additionally, many companies pay dividends, which are like bonus payments to its shareholders. By investing in a diverse range of stocks, you can benefit from the growth of different industries and companies. To start investing in appreciating assets, you can open a brokerage account to buy stocks and mutual funds with your favorite online brokerage, or work with a real estate agent to purchase property. Many platforms allow you to invest small amounts regularly. You can also consider investing in low-cost index funds, which track the performance of a large group of stocks and spread out your risk. So focus on assets that will grow in value. By doing so, it will steadily increase your net worth over time. Growing your net worth is important because it enhances your financial security and can provide you with financial cushions against emergencies and unexpected expenses. It enables greater flexibility and freedom in life choices, such as retiring early, pursuing personal passions, or investing in other opportunities. A higher net worth also contributes to peace of mind and stability, reducing financial stress and improving overall well-being. Additionally, it can help build generational wealth, ensuring financial stability for your future generations. What are some of your top strategies for boosting your net worth? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Whether it's investing, budgeting, or other financial hacks, your insights could inspire others to take control of their finances. Let's create a discussion and learn from each other's successes and challenges. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.